welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and join the family. Today's video, I am unboxing new e.l.f. products and doing my first impression with you guys. And then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I got my e.l.f. order. I just haven't been down to go pick it up because it has been snowing like crazy. And for those of you that know, I've recently had some surgery and I'm still recovering from it. So me trying to walk on ice is not going to happen. But my husband went down and picked up the box. So I'm super excited to see what we got. And this video is not sponsored. Everything that I got, I paid for by myself. So the first thing that I got was the 16-hour Camo Concealer. And I got it in, it looks like I got it in the shade way too light. But I got this in the shade Fair Warm. Honestly, this doesn't look like Fair Warm to me. Let's just open it and see. It says that it is a camouflage those pesky spots and under eye circles with this high coverage, crease resistant, we like that, 16-hour wear concealer. Directions: use the wand to apply concealer to desired areas, pat out gently with your fingers or a sponge for a smoother blend. Okay, well, we will do that. So let me see if I can get this open and we will go ahead and swatch this. And the reason that I ordered this is because it comes with those doe foot applicators and I love those. This is very pretty packaging. Can you guys see that huge doe foot applicator? Packaging on that, it's really nice. Next, I got the Jelly Highlighter in Bubbly. Super excited about this. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Really pretty. Ooh! It kind of smells like putty a little bit, but it definitely is super jelly. I think I opened it the wrong way. It's super jelly. It's a sample. It has to be. This is the Hello Hydration Face Cream, and it has hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. I picked up the Glow Up Primer Serum. I can't talk. The Glow Up Primer Serum in Luminous. This looks pretty. I love the packaging on this. Look at that. Really pretty. I also picked up their Flawless Finish Foundation. And this is an oil-free satin finish. So I'm excited. And I got it in this shade Suede, which is medium tan with golden undertones. So we shall see if that will work for me. This, which I'm very excited about, this is the e.l.f. Marshmallow Smoothing Mask. Imagine your skin being kissed by clouds. That's quite the claim, isn't it? So here's what it looks like out of the packaging. It says, apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eyes and lips areas. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse well. Use up to 3 times per week. So obviously I won't be able to use this in this video, but I will do a separate video of me trying this. I was hoping it would smell like marshmallows, but no, it didn't. I'm a sucker for anything that smells like sweet, cupcakey, vanilla, stuff like that. I love that kind of stuff. So if you guys have heard of I think it's I Do Care or whatever, I really want to try their Cake a Day face mask. So I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you guys have tried that product. Also the Poreless Face Primer Prime on the Go. I wanted to pick up their the Poreless Primer, the putty, but they were out of stock when I was placing my order, and literally not 2 days after I placed my order, I got an email that it was back in stock. So obviously I was pissed about that, but it happens. Ew, this smells like straight oil. Okay, let me see if you have to shake it or something. Apply to clean, moisturized skin prior to makeup application. Use a small amount, blend evenly. Okay, well, I don't like what came out first. It feels like just oil. Combination skin, so I don't want to put oil on my skin, obviously. And then the last but not least, I got the rose gold. I'm a sucker for rose gold too. That's my favorite color. Eyeshadow palette. So I'm super excited to try this. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch. I'm excited to play with this today. Okay, and that was all that I got from this little miniature haul. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul, and in the next video I am going to be doing this look, completed look, with all of the e.l.f. products that I picked up today. So until the next video, bye guys!